First half.
Now our trainings are going to be different. We will not start talking the first session itself, Constitution, 73rd Constitutional Amendment, British Panchayat Raj. No, we'll start talking with one wonderful man who had dedicated his life. He was a challenged man. He was taking arms and giving it to the community next door. That's the story with which we will start now. And we have been doing it for various other training courses. Our trainings don't start with, lighting of the lamp, ribbon cutting, garland, bouquet. No. They just start with some kind of this one film, Mama. I love that film because we made that film.
Real life stories.
Real life stories. So, this is another. In order to tell them where we have lost respect for the country, we'll show this one single document. And where we need to go back to give that kind of respect to the country, otherwise our lives are in very great danger. It's a slow poison. It may not suddenly engulf you, but it will slowly finish the entire population of this country. Lack of leadership, lack of respect for national anthem, lack of respect for neighborhood, lack of respect for a good man, honest man. Who is respected today? The one who is able to cheat others. He is able to go in a Benz car or whatever. We are looking at redefining again the value system. And this film will explain it. The trainings must mean all this. And ward members' trainings and sarpanch's trainings happen at the district headquarters and the divisional headquarters, MROs, MDOs, offices, etc. The thing that I have developed here will be sent prototype. If 9 o'clock, 30 minutes, national anthem, Vande Mataram, it will start. All over the state, Vande Mataram, 9 o'clock, 30 minutes. And if 5:30 it is Jana Gana Mana, we'll close it. It's like that, it's going to be. Next training program will be like that. NGOs can also be the members on that. And they can also share the burden. Well-meaning NGOs, we have very bad experience. We have given away this responsibility to some NGOs last time. This can go to further levels below. We would like the district level training organizations also to be brought in here, and we will give an orientation before the training start. This requires your material. Get ready quickly. Has it gone, ma, for printing? Then the minister's letter, it seems. మినిస్టర్ గారు సంతకం ఇంకా కాలేదండి నా వెంటనే పంపించమని చెప్పండి దాన్ని. అయిన వెంటనేమో దాన్ని ప్రింటింగ్ ఇచ్చేసి వీల్ ఎంగేజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ అవుట్ సైడర్స్ టు కవర్లలో పెట్టడం, ప్లేస్ చేయడం, పోస్ట్లో వేయడం, అన్ని పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్ పంపించడం. మన వాళ్ళు ఒకవేళ 27,000 ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ స్మాల్ నెంబర్, 21,809 పంపించేసేయండి అవన్నీ. Then as far as your mandate, perhaps whatever you have seen here can be carried to your 30 NGOs whom you are working with. Vizag can still be a better bet for us. You can do a good job. Maybe what we intend a newly elected representative to understand. Ultimately, people have given a vote in favor of them to get better quality of life, a kind of good access to health, school to be clean, girls' toilet, drinking water, teachers attending sincerely school, and midday meal scheme working very well, Anganwadi trying to give some good food to the mothers and children there. All that, it goes up to even if there is a domestic violence case in the village, the sarpanch shall feel ashamed, or the ward member should immediately go and rectify, and some kind of a warning to be given or whatever. That's how the villages can grow and can look better than before. Grama Swarajyam, the dream of the great Mahatman, is possible only by letting the Gram Panchayat take over functioning. Any amount of others trying to, with whatever good intentions they have, any other system, including the delivery sector of the governments, however well-meaning the government may be, however well-meaning the leaders may be, it will not happen unless that young 10 or 15 girls and boys are oriented on one side, and the elected representatives are made to understand that they are capable of delivering. If these two things happen, perhaps we have realized that dream of quality of living in all the rural villages, better than before and better than today. Tomorrow they will say, my God, it is much better than yesterday. There is a saying, today is the tomorrow that we talked about yesterday. Days are running like that, and the village conditions, quality of living, economic, social, cultural, caste divides, they are making the villages bleed. Unfortunately, that can be stopped only when we strengthen the elected representatives at the Gram Panchayats and the Panchayat Raj system taking over at that level. He is the best to rule that kind of administration. People have trust in those people elected, and the elected representatives should consider that these are the people because of whom I am here in this chair. If you can establish that kind of a trust, I am sure our democracy will be much more virulent and vibrant, stronger. I look forward to that day. Thank you very much.